Good morning, students. Welcome to the Greenfield School and College online classes. In today's class, I am gonna discuss the questions, creative question, and some important MCQ questions on Chapter 9, Marketing. I think I hope you are just with me. So let's continue the question answer. Previous class I just gave you a homework on one question that was Mr. Iqbal has a new shop. There are clothes available for women and children. He is using an auto rickshaw to spread the name of the shop in the city. The salesperson of his shop is also smiling and handsome, so he is getting a good response in a short time. That means this question was basically based on the advertisement and the salesmanship topic on your chapter, mentioned on your chapter. What is advertisement means it is the technique to introduce your product to the consumers, or it is the technique to attract the consumers to your products. So that is called advertising. And salesmanship is the technique, or you can say it is the efficiency of a salesperson to attract the consumers and make them as a permanent customers. So that is the salesmanship. In this time, Mr. Iqbal just used both of them for developing or improving their business, improving his business. So I think you did your homework well, because you didn't knock me. I told you that if you face any problem, then knock me. Since you just didn't knock me, that means you were just able to write down the answer of this question. So I hope, I am just assuming, but still I am discussing. I will obviously discuss these questions today also. The first one is, what is marketing? Marketing is the buying and selling process of the product. That is the answer for 1 mark. Or you can, if you want to write down the in business sense or broader sense, then you can write it down like marketing is the process of delivering goods to the consumers from manufacturers. So that is the business perspective definition. Then number B, why is the product required to be wrapped or packaged? Wrapped, that means packaged. Packaging is one of the function of marketing. So why is the product required to be wrapped? Obviously the product must be packaged or wrapped, because wrapping or packaging attracts the consumers to buy the products, and also it helps to remove the chances of damages of the product. So that's why the product required to be wrapped. Just 2 points. Then number C, how did Mr. Iqbal advertise in his shop? Mr. Iqbal, in this time, in number C question, there are 2 parts. C and D both have the 2 parts question, so you have to answer it. Answer the both parts. So first part said, how did Mr. Iqbal advertise in his shop? We when we read the chapter 9, we saw there is a chart of the different medias of advertisement. So there was a media, car advertisement. So Mr. Iqbal in this time using the same advertisement process, car advertisement, because he is using auto rickshaw to spread the name of the shop. He just introducing his shop to the consumers, to the locality, by using the auto rickshaw advertisement. So that's why it is the car advertisement. Okay, that is the answer of the first part. Now why is advertising important? That means this question just wants to know the importance of the advertisement, and it is clearly mentioned in your chapter. Why advertisement important? Advertisement important because it helps to introduce the new product to the consumers. It brings the goodwill for the business. It helps to expand the business, or it helps to create the large market for the products. It creates social and ethical awareness. It awakens your patriotism so that you can buy the local products rather than the foreign products. So these are the importance. Write down just 3, 4 or 5 whatever, or if you want to write down all the importance point, all the points which are mentioned in your chapter, then you can write it down. But you have to think about the time. So if you just put your time, all the time in one question, and other question just write down by just in case of write down you just messed up, that is not acceptable. So that's why time management is necessary. So that's why 3 or 4 points you can write down in here. Why is advertising important? Advertising important, or advertisement important? Advertisement is important because it helps to introduce a new product to the consumers. It helps to bring the goodwill for the business. It creates a huge market for the products. It balances the demand and supply. It creates the social and ethical awareness. It awakens the patriotism so that you can buy the local products rather than your foreign products. So that is the answer of C. Now number D, there are also 2 parts. First part saying that how did Mr. Iqbal attract buyers? The answer will be Mr. Iqbal attracted buyers by using the help of advertisement. Also he is using the salesmanship strategy, because he appointed a good salesperson, a good salesperson who is smiling and handsome, so that customers can be attracted to the shop, to the salesperson, and they go to the shop and buy the products. So Mr. Iqbal attracted buyers by using help of the advertisement and also the salesmanship strategy. That is the answer of first part. Now second part saying that do you think he should continue to do the work to hold the buyer? That means this question just wants to know is it necessary to continue Mr. Iqbal, what is Mr. Iqbal doing, it should be continued. Yes, Mr. Iqbal, what is Mr. Iqbal is doing should be continued, because if he wants to spread the business, if he wants to expand the business, he must continue the advertisement process, and also he should appoint a good salesperson in his shop, because a good salesperson can attract the buyers, can attract the consumers, and all the people, all as a human being, we are always attracted to the good things, beautiful things, nice things. So that's why if a salesperson is very much good, very much handsome, very much good looking, smiling face, with the nice smiling face, that means we obviously feel attraction to that salesperson. It is the human nature. So that's why Mr. Iqbal should continue to do the process, or continue the steps what is he taking to expand his business, to increase the profit of the business. So Mr. Iqbal must use the advertisement process, and also he should appoint good nice salesperson to in his shop. So that's why we can say that he should continue to do the work to hold the buyer. That means if he wants to hold the buyers, if he wants to make the new customer as permanent, so that's he should obviously continue the process. So that is the answer of 2, answer of number D. Now number 2, Alom is the owner of the tea garden. He supplied tea produced in his garden in different parts of Dhaka city alongside the local market. He wants to market his garden tea all over Bangladesh. Alom is the owner of a tea garden. He supplied tea produced in his garden in different parts of Dhaka city alongside the local market. That means he is with a local market, he is delivering it all the different parts of Dhaka city. He wants to market his garden tea all over Bangladesh. That means he just delivered it Dhaka city and also the local market, but his main target is he wants to market this tea or deliver this tea all over the Bangladesh. Now first question, what is grading? We know grading is the process of classifying the products according to the standards, that is called grading. What do you mean by warehousing? Warehousing means it is the process of storing products, or it is the process of storing goods from so that we can use one season product in another season. So that's why it is called warehousing. Warehousing creates the utility of the time, so that is called warehousing. And you will find the definition in your chapter in the function of marketing. There is clearly mentioned in mentioning it. So warehousing is the process of storing goods and services for seasonal use. We can use product one season to another. Describe the method that Alom has followed in marketing the tea produced in his garden. Describe the methods that Alom has followed in marketing the tea produced in his garden. What is the method? Method is, that means Alom is using the transportation service for marketing the delivering the tea to the Dhaka city and also in the local market. So he is using the transport services. Without transport you cannot deliver your goods from one place to another, because transport creates the utility of place. So that's why we can say that the method that Alom has followed in marketing the tea produced in his garden, that means he is using the transportation service. Then you will write down the definition. What is transportation? Transportation means it is the process of delivering goods from manufacturing place to other place, to all over the country, or maybe abroad. Transportation creates the utility of place, so that customer can get the products easily from different places, from different parts of the city or parts of the country. So that is the answer. Then after giving the definition, you just relate it to the stem. In third portion you will write down, we can see in the stem, Alom is the owner of the tea garden. He is supplying tea to the different parts of Dhaka city alongside the local market, and in future he wants to market the tea all over the Bangladesh. So obviously clearly we can tell that Alom is using the transportation facilities and transportation act, so that he can easily deliver the products, easily deliver the tea to the all over the Bangladesh, all over the Dhaka city. Then number D, what kind of benefits can he get if tea is marketed in all over Bangladesh? What kind of benefits can he get if tea is marketed in all over Bangladesh? Obviously, if he delivering the products all over the Bangladesh, that means he is there will be the chance of increasing profit. There will be the chance of expanding the business. So what kind of benefits can he get? He get the opportunity of improving his business, improving his efficiency, delivering the products to all over Bangladesh. It creates the opportunity of expand the business. It will increase the profit of the business. So these type of benefits can he get if tea is marketed all over the Bangladesh. So you will write it down. You know that the writing down the just write down the answer C and D. It is there will be three parts. First one, you have to answer the questions. You have to answer the questions in one line, like what kind of benefits can he get if tea is marketed all over Bangladesh? Analyze it. In first line you have to write it down, like he can get different type of benefits if tea is marketed all over Bangladesh. Then second portion, you will write down that if Alom mainly wants to expand his business. He wants to deliver the products, deliver the tea all over the Bangladesh, and it will help to expand the business. It will increase the profit margin. It will help to improve economical condition of the Alom as well as the economical condition of the country, and it will give Alom a better lifestyle. So these benefits can Alom get. And then you will relate it to the step, because Alom is the owner of the tea garden. He wants he delivered the products to the locality also in the different parts of the Dhaka city, but main target in future, he wants to deliver the tea all over the Bangladesh. That means he wants to expand his business, he wants to increase the profit. He will create different employment, he will create a huge employment opportunities for country, and it will obviously develop the economical condition of the country. When a business is huge, it will obviously creating better opportunities for the employment. So there's benefits can he get if tea is marketed all over the Bangladesh. Now number 3, Mr. Jewel built a large-sized mango garden in Rajshahi. That means Mr. Jewel has a mango garden in Rajshahi. During the production season, he supplied mango from his garden to the pickers of big cities, including Dhaka. That means he is delivering the mangoes all over all the big cities of the Bangladesh. But this year he managed to save 5,000 mangoes. He managed to save 5,000 mangoes because of the decline in the price of mangoes. This reduced his anxiety. That means when Jewel is a owner of a mango garden, he is delivering the mangoes to the big cities of country, different big cities of the country, and this year the market price is down, so he is storing the mangoes, 5,000 mangoes he is storing, so that he can sell it in future when price is up. So that's why it reduces his anxiety, because if at this time, at present time, if he sells all the mangoes, he will get obviously the low profit. But if he stored 5,000 mangoes and sells it to the future period of time when the price is up, then obviously it will bring the huge profit for Mr. Jewel. So that's why he is storing or warehousing the mangoes, 5,000 mangoes. Now first one is, what is standardizing? Standardizing means it is identifying the product standards. It is the process of finding out the standards of the products. What kind of qualities is sharp intelligence of a salesperson? Sharp intelligence is a mental quality of a salesperson. A salesperson should inherit some good qualities. Sharp intelligence one of them, and other qualities like physical qualities, ethical qualities also a salesperson should inherit. So what kind of qualities is sharp intelligence? Sharp intelligence কোন ধরনের গুণের মধ্যে পড়ে salesperson? Sharp intelligence is the mental quality of a good salesperson. Then number C, what is the initial work done by Mr. Jewel according to the step? First activities, first function. What the first function of Mr. Jewel in this step? First function is, during the production season, he supplied mango from his garden to the big cities including Dhaka. That means he is using the transportation service. This is the first work done by Mr. Jewel when the season is high season of mango. So according to the stem, we can say that the initial work is transportation, which is done by Mr. Jewel. Mr. Jewel using the transport facilities for delivering the mangoes to the different big cities of the country. Transport means it is the process of delivering goods from one place to another, and transport creates the utility of place. In this term, we can see that Mr. Jewel delivering the mangoes from Rajshahi to different big cities including Dhaka. easily, easily by using the transport facilities. So we can say that the initial work done by Mr. Jewell is Transportation Act. Then number D, what it is saying, analyze the marketing work that helps reduce Mr. Jewell's anxiety. What function just reduces anxiety of Mr. Jewell? The answer is warehousing. He when the price just go down, he managed to save 5,000 mangoes, or he stored 5,000 mangoes so that he can sell it when price is up, and he can get better profit from selling this mango. So we can say that warehousing reduces anxiety of Mr. Jewell. Then you will write down the definition of warehousing. Warehousing is the process of storing goods from one season to another season, and it creates the utility of time so that people can use different seasons products easily. And in this term we can see that Mr. Jewell in this year he managed to save 5,000 mangoes because of decline in the price. And so this warehousing process, this warehousing facilities give him a relaxation, so because he sell these 5,000 mangoes in future with the high price and high profit. So warehousing reduces Mr. Jewell's anxiety. So that is the answer. So these are sample questions. You please don't just rely on completely these questions. It is the sample questions I am giving you, because you can get the idea what type of question you can face in the exam. So just don't read out these 3 questions only. At first you have to study the text before starting answering any question. You have to first read down the text thoroughly, clearly and specifically, and these are the sample questions. At the starting point and the beginning I just told you that I will give you also MCQ questions, but already I just giving you 3 questions. I just gave you 3 questions, and if I just another 25 or 26 MCQ question if I give you, it will obviously create the pressure on you. So I am this short question I am not giving you today. The homework just is these 3 questions will be your homework for today's class, and I will discuss other short questions in the next classes, so that it doesn't create any pressure on you. So please read it down and try to answer the questions clearly. If you face any problem, then knock me. I will be here. Okay, take care. Bye bye.